Good day, Nigerians. My name is Steven Ikwechegh, the boat driver that had a misunderstanding with Right Honorable Mascot Ikwechegh some days ago. I still actually want to apologize to him that I'm sorry for whatever I must have said or must have done to have provoked him to that level of anger. I am very, very sorry. This is actually a medium where I would like to tell all Nigerians that it is not time for us to start dividing ourselves based on religions or tribe or region or anything. That we should actually come together and try to see how we can unite this nation and move the nation forward. Please, Nigerians, let's forgive and forget. As even contained in our Lord's Prayer, that Lord, please forgive us as we forgive those who trespass against us. For there is no justice without forgiveness. Thank you very much. And I still want to use this medium to thank my family members, my parents, my brothers, my uncles, and everybody that stood by me. I want to appreciate all of you. I love you all. I love you all. Thank you. God bless Nigeria.
No, wait, I don't understand. What is happening right here? My people, I thought I should put this video right here. Maybe with your opinion, we all might understand what is happening to this cabman. The cabman is not coming out now to apologize to the lawmaker that is sorry, apologize for how he shouted and all that. I don't understand. Does it mean this man have been threatened? Does it mean that he's saying this thing from his heart? Does it mean there's something that you and I don't know right now? I'm surprised, I'm shocked, I'm confused. So I think, I don't know, I'm totally speechless. Before I will pass a proper submission on this thing, I want to read comments. This is crazy. The cabman that was slapped more than 3 times or 3 times have come out now to apologize to the lawmaker. God. Anyway, guys, this is NAIJA. Good.